In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm using Miro. Welcome. If you're ready to unleash your creativity, Miro offers a dynamic platform that integrates various brainstorming techniques to help you and your team generate ideas effectively. Let's dive into this process together and explore how to make the most of Miro's rich set of tools. First things first, you'll want to locate the Creation toolbar once you're in Miro. This toolbar is your gateway to numerous brainstorming templates that can significantly enhance your session. Click to open the template picker, and you'll be greeted by an array of options designed to suit different brainstorming needs. Among these options, you'll find templates like sticky note packs, mind map, spider diagram, T-chart, reverse brainstorming, and brainwriting. Each of these templates serves unique purposes and can be tailored to fit the specific context of your brainstorming session. Feel free to browse through them and choose one that resonates with your objectives. Now, once you've selected a template, the next step is to insert it into your Miro board. Upon insertion, you might notice that the templates come ungrouped. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to edit or rearrange individual elements as needed. Whether you're adding new ideas or reorganizing the structure, you have the flexibility to make these templates work for you. If you encounter any locked components that you'd like to modify, simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L to unlock them, giving you full control over the editing process. It's important to remember that the true power of brainstorming in Miro lies in its ability to foster collaboration and creativity. Encourage your team members to join the session, interact with the templates, and contribute their ideas freely. This collaborative aspect can lead to innovative solutions and a richer pooling of ideas. As you get more comfortable with the tools, you might want to experiment with different template combinations. For instance, you can start with a mind map to lay out high-level ideas and then use sticky note packs for more granular reflections. The adaptability of Miro's features means you can tailor your brainstorming approach to fit the evolving needs of your project. In conclusion, engaging with Miro's extensive range of templates and tools offers a structured yet flexible way to brainstorm effectively. Whether you're working individually or as a team, Miro provides the support you need to unleash creativity and establish a productive brainstorming environment. Enjoy experimenting with different templates, and remember, the most successful brainstorming sessions are those where everyone feels encouraged to contribute and innovate. Get started with your brainstorming journey on Miro today and watch as your ideas transform into actionable plans. Thank you for watching, and happy brainstorming.